Hi everyone! You are watching the How to by Axon, a series of practical tech tips from our software engineers on how to make your IT product sharper for competitors and better for customers. My name is Alina and today we're going to talk about seat map functionality integration for Android applications. In the world of online ticket selling, the buying experience is easier and more enjoyable when allowing your customers to choose their seats using a visual seating map. This functionality is vital for many industries: entertainment and events, tourism, healthcare, hospitality, and many others. Adding a seat map to your application improves user experience, simplifying seat selection and booking. Our mobile engineering team prepared a comprehensive guide with step-by-step instructions for implementing seat maps into Android applications. This includes picking the right tag, managing the details, and linking with the backend system for data and reservations. Dive in and take your mobile development to new heights.